Gideon. Who here then? So you want to be your farmer. I've been in the drawing, you know where the lights are supposed to drop. This is 1. This is 1. Middle, 2. Another one at 3. Yes. And then this is 1. So you see this place? Look like this is. So this one, it will come like this 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then fan, 2 fans. Yeah. You can see where the distance is. Yeah. Okay, so it means I cannot AC from the AC unit one fucking baby don't function. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so sir, as you can see, we are dropping this thing at what is the length? The drop? What is the 1 yard? You can see a yard. Yeah. So the POP or the ceiling that you do, please, I hope they will also have the drawing so that they will go according to the wiring that has been done, the wiring diagram, so that we don't have to join cables. And this is long enough. You can see that. You see, I can even touch it from the floor. You see, so that's it. If I'm not Gian yet cutting one down. Let me see. It's okay.